Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your mobile home app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, so you click here on profile options, you just click on it. Then you come here to capitalize this here first letter of sensitivity here, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So that's all. Thank you for your watching.